Hello friends, welcome back. In this quick demonstration, we're going to talk about one of the level 3 tool called Wave Triangle Predictor. Works like a charm to time the market on daily charts, higher time frame charts, on a smaller time frame charts. So bring this tool here, nothing much to do, just drop it. This is Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. We're gonna move swing to swing. So when the market opens Sunday evening, we got this pivot here and we got this low here. And we have to make some adjustments, making sure that the circles you see here are precisely placed here. All right. So when you see this structure, it's called the crown structure, wave pattern. Can't see it. It has a complex natural geometry. The idea is that these circles, when placed on swing by swing basis, now this is known to us. This area, right, the high and low, you can see that, we also have this known to us. So once these 2 points are known to us, the other points, we're going to take them as points which we can use to draw trend lines. Because all we need are these points. First 2 points done nicely on the presumed high and low. We also see when these points are dropped vertically, they also time the market. So here is the high. Here nothing happened. Here this is the high. Here again end of the day we have some vibration. So that is phenomenal in itself. What we do is for intraday continue to draw these lines. So what this structure has offered us is the probability of using the effective trend lines by natural laws. Market is going here. To trust this structure, we need some reflection. Now this is a projected line. It went to the projected line, got reflected. Gives me a confidence that the structure is now going to be behaving as expected. What we do is, when we think this is the low of the market, it got reflected when it breaks here. So we're finding some structural possibilities which we can trust. Now this is a chart of ES. It doesn't matter. That's the beauty of it. I haven't even plotted other things here. So I have these circles revealed here. I just keep plotting. So there's no reason to be confused. And now we're gonna just keep plotting like this. But when these structures are broken, they will be respected. Why you need this level of accuracy? Trading with one contract, if you can swing it, make your $500 goal, $1,000 goal, and you can scale horizontally in today's world with 20 contracts, around 20 accounts. You can do the math. The scalability is a challenge of accuracy, the precision. So all this research goes towards finding those things the world has not seen yet. Tesla was one of those masters. Gann was yet another master who followed Tesla and other before him. But the fundamental original research is what should fascinate you if you go towards the laws of nature and laws of vibration. Now these are different kinds of vibration exposed by this structure. Okay, maybe that was the biggest fluke the world has ever seen. Let's move it to the next swing point. Right here, and right here. The structure can be flipped on either side. Remember, there's a law of polarity, law of reflection. So above, so below. The biblical principles. The sphere of earth is inside the sphere of heavens. So we can use the law, so above, so below. We can reshape the tool to have these structures projected on the top or the bottom by just moving these points in a different fashion. And with some practice and lots of practice, you can see if you're projecting the highs and lows. Here I put it structure this projection points on the bottom, so I got this lows. Now I'm gonna go towards the high, so I reflected my structure on the other side. One point here, one point here. You can just see when I come close to the point, hotspots. There's no magic. So now once I have these 2 points, then I have other points. Once now you can see is when it respects the law we talk about is these lines, these frequencies, these support and resistance lines, they must be respected. Stop at this point. If it slices through that, you know the structure may not hold as expected. So the first close interaction, the proximity interaction, must give us some evidence. So now this is reflecting very nicely. Now this is 5-minute chart, as I said, on ES. Once this breaks, I'm gonna trust it. That's gonna go. So we're looking at these acting as trend lines, right? This is not the way we can use it, but there it is. So these are the natural lines coming from space. They don't exist. And we are not using price, highs and lows and pivots. We're using something else totally out of the extraordinary. We have this centroid point, massive energy point. If it breaks, it's gonna go. And that break has been confirmed by the first initial intercept and reflection here. All we need is these 2 points. And you can see here the blaster came at this endpoint, but again these are a little bit advanced principles, so we're gonna now start drawing these circles to circles, right? Draw these circles. So I got my endpoints 24 hours in advance. So this is what market is doing. It is trying to find those latent spaces projected in our 2D space, but behind the scene they are unfolding. The structures are unfolding in the higher dimension latent spaces. We see them in a flat structure. So unless you do this kind of geometrical analysis on a squared chart, you will never find these points. Not on this 3D space. All I'm doing is just connecting these circles, and I'm seeing the structure not visible otherwise. See this one? I'm just connecting the dots right in front of you. All this is beautifully known to us, the entire structure of the market. So I hope this motivates you to get to this space in your head and your growth where you can research the reason you are on earth, to learn and discover the true knowledge of the universe. And there's no patent to be had in this, because these are simple natural observations. There's no innovation or invention. This is pure observation and interaction with the universe, and applying those principles. So I hope you can continue on your research if you're seeker of the truth and seeker of the vibration of the market. This can help you launch your own journey. Thank you.